Do you know how your daily meat eating habits can affect your health? What many people may not realize is that grilling meat, especially if it's done well, can lead to health problems like high blood pressure. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the dangers of overcooking meat and how to cook it to avoid them. Searing meat is a favorite cooking method for many people. This is because the surface of the meat is crisped, giving it a unique flavor and texture. But it's important to remember that certain compounds produced when cooking meat in this way can have negative health effects. In particular, heterocyclic amines HCAs and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These are two of the most common carcinogens produced when meat is cooked at high temperatures for long periods of time. These substances have been shown to promote the development and growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies. HCAs are formed when amino acids and sugars in proteins react when meat is cooked at high temperatures, while PAHs are formed when meat is exposed to soot and smoke, particularly when meat is grilled over charcoal. Studies have shown that these carcinogens can increase the risk of various cancers, including breast, colon, and stomach cancer. Some studies have also reported that people who frequently sear their meat are more likely to develop cancer than those who don't, while others have found that those who don't sear their meat have a relatively low risk of cancer. As you can see, overcooking meat is more than just a matter of taste. It can have significant health implications. So how can you avoid these risks and still enjoy delicious meat? Here are a few cooking tips. First, it's a good idea to marinate your meat before cooking it. The acidic ingredients or spices in the marinade will help reduce the production of HCAs. For example, marinades using vinegar, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, etc. will not only make the meat taste more flavorful, but can also have a positive impact on your health. Second, when grilling meat, make sure you control the temperature properly. And don't overcook it. It's important to control the heat so that the surface of the meat doesn't char, as charred areas can contain high levels of PAHs, and slow cooking over medium or low heat is recommended to reduce this. Third, you can try changing your cooking method. Consider using an oven or air fryer instead of charcoal for cooking. These methods avoid direct cooking at high temperatures, while still cooking the meat to a delicious doneness. Air fryers in particular have the advantage of crisping the meat, while using less oil. Finally, it's a good idea to flip the meat frequently, to reduce the amount of oil or smoke produced during the grilling process. This prevents the meat from burning, and can help reduce the production of carcinogens. In conclusion, even if you enjoy eating meat, you can lower your risk of serious diseases, like high blood pressure and cancer, by paying attention to how you cook it. Remember, eating healthy isn't just about the flavor. It's also about the cooking process. We hope this video has given you some tips on how to eat healthy meat, and that you'll start making healthier choices at your next meal.